Oh well.
Where are we going?
Beach. Let's go catch a wave.
Savannah's not ready yet.
And judge.
Even though we said the time for it's fine.
Get your keys.
What? Oh.
We're going to your car. Come on.
Okay, loading the car time.
It's
We're
cold.
just waiting. We don't have to wear these anymore.
Oh yeah. It's cold.
It's like a nice cold,
No, it's
though.
not.
Yes, it is.
Don't let her deceive you. That's not how this fucking works. It's cold. It is
It's like spring.
It is 7 a.m. and it's cold.
Yeah, because it's, of course it's... Just watch Gilday walk across the parking lot. Gilday's trying to find her car. 7 a.m. It is May 1st. Happy Decision Day to those that
Oh yeah.
are seniors in high school. But it's nice cold.
No, it's not. You
It's
have
like
a jacket
that,
on. That's why it's
like
cold.
that.
not
It's like
cold
that
to you.
early morning springtime cold when you know it's gonna get warmer later in the day. It's nice.
No, it's not.
It reminds me of spring.
No. This reminds me
Okay.
of spring. Cherry cooler.
We bought a cooler just for this.
Well, we
And we got our big, wait, can you see it? Wait, where is it?
IKEA bag.
IKEA bag. There it is on the ground. It's heavy. It's got all of our towels and shit in it. There's Gilday.
Yay!
I think I'm driving to start though.
I think so. She looks like she's ready to go though. Are you driving along there?
Well, I thought I could just drive a little bit because, I mean...
Oh, you can drive us to Target, like around the errands.
Yeah.
The errands, and then you're driving the rest.
Okay. Gilday's, because we're getting breakfast at Chick-fil-A.
Open the truck!
And we have to stop at Target for literally 2 items and we're not getting anything else.
2.
2. Turkey and
There
water.
we go.
I did bring 4 sets of dining hall
Wait,
silverware.
can we bring the bread?
Oh shit!
We need the bread.
No! We forgot your bread! Okay, we'll just get it. 3 things at Target. We are getting 3 things, and that is all. Hi.
Hi. I'm cold.
Ugh, can you warm your seats up?
Not the back ones.
No, you suck. Do you want a sweatshirt or a jacket?
I turned up the heat.
Sweatshirt. I'll get you a sweatshirt.
But it's...
Because I want a jacket as well.
Never mind.
Yeah, go ahead. Say it. I'm from Maine and this
That's
isn't
not
cold.
what I was gonna say.
That's what you're implying.
I didn't say it wasn't cold. I just said it's a nice cold.
No, it's not. Nobody thinks it's
What is
nice
it?
cold.
What is
except
a
people from
nice
Maine.
cold? What is a nice cold?
It's
Literally no one
It's
thinks
like
that.
early morning
No.
cold.
What is
When
that?
you know it's gonna
I
get warmer
refuse.
later. Well, I did put a jacket on because I knew it was gonna be cold.
Y'all are all yelling at me.
Yeah, because we told you be ready by
Literally just pull
6:40
up
so we
a
can
little
leave
further
at
and I'll hop out,
6:50.
and then
Be
pull up a
walking
little
out the
bit
door at
past the
6:50,
intersection.
were we? No.
Okay. You said we're leaving at
Okay, get up.
Okay.
Yeah, walking out the door at 6:50.
We
So leave
very
at
much,
7.
we very,
Like
very
we said
much
that multiple times.
emphasize.
well, we're leaving and it's 7:02, so...
Exactly, because you took too
Shut the
long.
fuck up.
Basically, the beach is over 3 hours away.
Yeah.
So 3 hours there, spend some time at the beach, and then over 3 hours to get back.
I don't know if you can even see her. She's just
Oh my God.
What did she do? She looked at us. I know! That's why I flipped the camera!
Why the fuck did y'all record that? Y'all,
I'm the one who had to do it!
look over. To the
She
other
did look
lane.
over. She did look.
There was a girl next to us, or a woman, in the car, and she was driving with like her knuckles and a bowl of mac and cheese.
And it was like comics.
It was really funny. And then we tried to film her and she noticed us.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Keep on hoping we'll be kicked by the ocean. Oh.
got you Food Line brand drinking water.
Nice. Ooh, they had a fire.
I'm filming, so y'all better get hype.
I'm shaking, I'm breaking. There's no faking what you say when you're running home. Music's in my soul. I can hear it every day, every night. You're the one thing on my mind.
Here you go. You better sing to this one.
Who?
You.
Me?
You're going to anyway, though.
And singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Got a bottle of whatever, but it's getting us drunk. Singing here's to never growing up. We live like rock stars, dance on every bar. This is who we are. I don't think we'll ever change. They say just grow up, but they don't know us. We don't give a fuck, and we're never gonna change. We can stay forever young. You like New York City in the daytime, I like New York City in the nighttime. You say you like sleeping with the air off, I don't, I need it on. You like the light coming through the window, I sleep late so I just keep them all closed. You ignore the music on the radio, I don't, I sing along. Need a change.
Say hi, Rachel.
Tell me that we're not
Interrupting Lord, actually, so.
every night I live and die. Need somebody take him home. Let's kiss and then take
Actually, see what's going on.
And it sounds just like a song. I want your belly in the summer feeling. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high.
We at beach.
Yeehaw. I'm tired. I'm still waking up.
Gilday took a nap in the car. Savannah also took a nap in the car. Rachel sang with me to keep me awake because I was driving, but also getting tired.
Well, you can nap on the beach.
I will nap on the beach. We're at the beach.
Wow.
Wow. Gilday's complaining about the sand because it's normal sand.
Gets everywhere.
I stopped complaining. It is normal sand. It's got shells in it. She was complaining because there's shells in the sand, and the only beach she's ever been to is Clearwater Beach, which has like the finest sand in the country.
Let Gilday be bougie.
So Gilday's bougie. Also, clearly hasn't traveled to other beaches before.
I've been to other beaches. I've just never been to a beach with sand like this. Oh my god.
Yeah, so that's what's been happening so far. What's going on, guys?
They don't like this song, which is fine, but we said no skips, so they're gonna have to deal with it.
Are y'all ignoring me?
What? There's no boats out here.
No. Well, there's one. We're gonna make some sandwiches. Woohoo. got a wonderful sandwich here.
Oh wow, fun. Yeah, go back there.
I don't see anything.
What happened, Gilday?
You guys said I got burned. You are
You
burned.
are burned. You look like a model. We've been at the beach for
A while.
like 3 hours now. Yeah. Basically just sitting here vibing. Yeah, all these people came. This huge group of people. I'm not gonna film them for too long. But they started walking in and we were like, oh God, they're gonna sit in this big open spot next to us. So I just like went and stood in the middle of this section over here to keep them from singing I love you. At least I think I do. Dude, look. Do you not see that?
No!
You don't see anything?
No! I see like a little splotchiness, but it's not even red.
It's so red. It is so red.
Oh, your back is bad too.
Dude, you need to get out of this. Oh my
get
God.
back here.
You need to sit in the shade. No more sun for you. No more sun for you. Yeah, but you're burning like crazy.
You kept refusing to put on sunscreen. I didn't refuse. Desi sprayed out my legs.
Yeah, I had to do it.
Oh.
Cali girls, they really rock my world. Short skirts so hot, looking right every way. That's what they say. Making states to the piece of girls are looking fine today. It's getting hot, you see. I love Cali girls, Valley girls like the way they move. Love the things they do, keep me up at night.
Oh no! Oh! You gotta do it really quick.
I want an action shot of you like hip bumping Gilday.
Oh, so cute.
Rachel!
Naturally
Rachel!
Like, come
Rachel! What? Take one of these. Choose one.
No! Here! I am so popular. This is a new thing for me.
You're the only ones that can take normal pictures. It's Desi. She knows how to do this. Just hippo.
That was my butt, not my hip. And my hip.
What is Desi doing? Desi's on a mission. I don't know what she's doing. Oh!
Ah!
Ah!
Got it.
Hell yeah! You're just gonna stay there? I'm gonna keep filming till you tell me to stop. I hope you know that.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, ready? Water. Water. Water.
Yes.
Bird.
True. Hold on. And all has overturned. What can I do? Don't go wasting your emotions. Lay all your blood.
We're on the way back. We got 2.5 hours.
From this angle, I look naked.
You're not.
Don't be afraid to catch feels.
Desi's once again
At odds with the other song.
driving Gilday's car. It does. Are they sleepy? We just got coffee. I have more energy now, that's why. That's it. We're on the way back. Yeehaw.
It's been a while since we last updated. I think Rachel filmed.
Oh wow.
I think Rachel filmed like a single clip in the car ride home. But update, we're back. We got pizza. And we're all sunburnt.
Desi and I being the worst.
And I didn't think I would get that bad. But I realized I didn't put my sunscreen on properly. Somebody filmed my arm. I'm not wearing pants right now, but I used to spray sunscreen and didn't rub it all over my arm, so now I've got just this like stripe and I'm burnt all around it.
Are you gonna let them see
So
your
that's nice.
butt?
You want to see my butt?
Yes.
Always.
Don't put that on the internet.
Do it. Only fans.
Only fans!
No. My face is also burnt. My face, my arms, my stomach. Look at that. Fun.
You look wonderful. I don't know what you're talking about.
Thank you. Now, me and Gilday will be taking all of our clothes off and rubbing aloe all over each other.
Yeah!
Yay! So, it's the next day. It's
This
what
lighting is crap, by the way.
105.
Turn the light on then.
What light?
A light.
Overhead light.
I don't know. You have so many. I'm a
want it.
professional filmer. Ugh. I'm half naked as well, but I guess you can't see my underwear.
There we go.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just past 1 o'clock.
And it's full glory.
It's the next day. It's just past 1 o'clock. Don't careful. And we're all very sunburnt. Gilday just finished rubbing aloe on my back, and now I have a fan to my face because my face is burnt. We're having a great time. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy my content, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment of how you feel for my pain and Gilday. Gilday's burnt even worse than me. Yeah. All my social media is linked at the end of the video, as well as my last video. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.
You're still filming us.
Yeah.